Dayapatram Devakshadagunalantam Pravanam Mandiram Yamatramanam. In 10th century, Bhagavad Ramanujacharya Swamy, 12 years residing in Melkota because of the enemies when entered in Srirangam. So Kurattalvan went to as Ramanuja to enemies, and at the moment by humiliation renounced his eyes by self. So the Kurattalvan, when doing the service for Ramanujacharya Swamy Matam, residing at Matam and daily pouring the water and cleaning the Matam, that moment one Vaishnava, Thadeeyashekhara, came and unexpectedly, when pouring the water in for Matam cleaning, the water and poured on his shirt and then poured on his clothes. So the white clothes when is became a stain. So because of the anger, so he scolded the Kurattalvan and humiliated the Kurattalvan. So because of stain, he scolded Kurattalvan, so humiliated Kurattalvan. The Ranganatha Swamy, so when became anger, so after 12 years Ramanujacharya Swamy came and they are participating in service. One day, one bird disturbing the Kurattalvan. Any time come and Kurattalvan put it in outside, then also disturbing. So Kurattalvan didn't understand why would came the bird every time reaching my feet. So I am distracted by walking. So what is the cause? Ramanujacharya Swamy said he is the Thadeeyashekhara excuse, and he was died before 1 year and he didn't go to Parampadam because of your humiliation. So that moment when you poured the water unexpectedly, you don't know, and you poured on water in his shirt, in his clothes, so he scolded you. So Ranganatha anger, he didn't go Vaikuntha. So if you excuse, you should go to Vaikuntha, Ramanujacharya Swamy said. Then Kurattalvan excused that the bird went to, departed the body, the soul, Thadeeyashekhara went to Parampad. So who will reside in Srirangam, if departed the body, should go to Parampad. Ranganatha Swamy given boon. But the Thadeeyashekhara, why didn't go to Parampadam? So because of humiliation of Kurattalvan. So he will humiliate the Bhagavata. Through Bhagavatapchara, they should not go to Parampada when they are excused. So that thing is done. And Ramanujacharya Swamy, that moment he was residing in Melkota, how would know? So Ramanuja said Paryangita, that is Adishesha. So he did understand, and then Ramanuja grace, that Thadeeyashekhara when excused by Kurattalvan, so then the Thadeeyashekhara went to Parampada. That is the Ramanuja grace. Srimate Ramanujaya.